Bụi hoa giấy hiên nhà lắng nghe tiếng mưa dù dịu dàng. Mùa hè sắp quay về với tôi. 좋은 걸 사거나 아니면 이 드레스 쉐입 보여도 좀 안 예쁘지만 얘를
So I got a package, like I always do. But today I'm super excited because I literally ordered this last night at like, I want to say like 12 or something, and it's already here. Sorry. I just get really excited about receiving things. And it is my puldak sauce. I was running out of this. I had 2 bottles and then I ran out of one in Bombay. Like, not ran out, but I had only this much left. And literally I got it shipped from Bombay in spite of only having this much left because I love it so much. And then I had a different version, which is this one, and I that was also in Bombay, which I also got shipped because I'm not about to leave my puldak sauce in Bombay. But anyway, that also pretty much ran out. There's probably like this much left, so now I have one more. Also, I'm probably gonna vlog 2 days because today I'm honestly not doing much, but I did want to like film something. Actually, I wanted to vlog. I don't know why. I just wanted to. So I'm gonna combine today's vlog with tomorrow's vlog because I am going out tomorrow, and don't worry, we are allowed to go out. Hyderabad is pretty much open, as I think I mentioned already. Hyderabad is very much open. Everyone is very much going to work and very much going out. Of course, there's a lot of social distancing and stuff like that, but officially, what's today's date? What is today? 4th. So officially from tomorrow, the entire night curfew ends, and everything, including restaurants and stuff, are allowed to take in customers, but while maintaining social distancing, which most places in Hyderabad have already been doing. So, did I zoom in? So I am allowed to go out. So tomorrow I'm just going with my grandmother she wanted to buy some shoes, so we're going to do that, and also going to buy some crockery, silverware. We're going somewhere in like this older part of Hyderabad, and I love like crockery and silverware, so I might just buy some stuff too. It's a secret, don't tell my parents, but yeah.
이렇게 동그랗게 생겼어요. 유리인 것 같아요. 그냥 지금 얘도 조명이고 이제 뜰 이것도 조명이고 쟤도 조명이고 하면은 방에 조명이 3개잖아요. 근데 제가 흰불을 켜는 걸 별로 안 좋아해서 이렇게 노란 조명.
The king is back. Oh my god.
Just did a bad thing. I regret the thing I did.
So this happened. I was just gonna trim and kind of like cut more framing pieces for my hair, and I fucked up the left side, so then I had to match the right side with it, and this happened. But hey, I mean, at least I like bangs on me, so
고만 크림 브릴레 그거 한번 만들어 보려고요. 계량부터 먼저 해줄게요.
just finished getting ready. It is currently 12:56 and I finished working out in the morning, and I'm ready, and now I'm gonna go upstairs to my grandma's house. This is the fit for the day. Bag is Salvatore Ferragamo. I don't know how to pronounce it. shirt, Forever 21, pants, H&M, I want to say. Shoes, Forever 21, I think. No, Steve Madden. Clips are from Yes Style. Let's go. Let's go.
bụi hoa giấy hiên nhà lắng nghe tiếng mưa dù dịu dàng mùa hè sắp quay về với tôi trong giấc mơ chỉ toàn người khóc người vui người điên trên áng mây cao là hoàng hôn.
My hair got wet because of the mist. Say hi. Yes, so we just finished shopping and now we're on our way for lunch. Why are you talking to me? It's a vlog, it's a video. And yes, when we go to lunch, I'm gonna show you everything. And when I go home, I'm gonna do a haul of everything I bought.
Cao là hoàng hôn, hồn thức tim tôi.
So we just got salmon and I finished it in like 2 seconds. Just got some dessert from Mountain Bakery. For those who live in Hyderabad, I know Mountain Bakery. It's really good. So I'm back home now and I have a haul for you all. So what I did not film was me going into Ratndeep, like grocery store, and I bought some things. So I'm gonna show you that first and then go and show you like the main stuff that I bought. So from Mountain Bakery, I got some donuts and a cream roll because cream rolls are so good. Then I bought some milk, and milk is for my coffee. We stopped at Starbucks. I wanted to buy some coffee beans, but they didn't have the ones that I wanted. So, oh well, but I have other coffee, so I might make filter coffee today. So yes, milk. Too much explanation for milk. And then my favorite thing ever. I've just substituted my sweet tooth with these. This is the Milky Mist fruit yogurt in blueberry. I love these, and these were buy one get one, so I just bought 4 packets. I have like the the peach flavor in my fridge. These are only 100 calories, I think. I'm pretty sure it's, yeah, it's like 100 calories for 100 grams. It's super filling, it's so yummy, and it's like the perfect dessert. And then the last thing that I bought was tea. This is the Typhoon Fruit Infusion Orange Spicer Tea. I've really been enjoying drinking English breakfast tea at night after dinner as like a calm myself down sort of thing. And I thought trying some other tea would be good, and I love orange, so. Okay, so now moving on to the main haul. I went to Sanat Nagar to this store, which was massive, which I'm pretty sure like you've seen it already. And I bought some amazing stuff. So first, a lighter for my candles. I'm gonna start using my candles, so I need a lighter. Scotch tape for makeup. A cute little bottle that I'm going to use to hold milk or coffee or milk. 6 wooden spoons because I love wooden things. A heart-shaped pan for my heart-shaped eggs. I love eggs and I love hearts, so. Okay, the next thing, so cute. Everything else now that I'm gonna show you is all ceramic. This is a little cup, no, what? The thing that you pour with. I'm either gonna use this to pour milk into my black coffee or to pour coffee into my milk, because I'm extra like that. And then this Japanese looking little bowl for condiments, 120. This little Japanese looking bowl for condiments, these two were 120 bucks. I think this was like 100. The next thing, 2 beautiful plates. Technically these are saucers, but I'm gonna use them as dessert plates when I only have one piece of dessert. And these were only 50 bucks. Can you believe it? It's so cheap. And now, this gorgeous little side plate. This was 300, but it's a good quality ceramic, so I'm willing to pay. I mean, I paid 1,500 bucks for my wooden plates from Muji, so, and like 500 bucks for a wooden spoon from Muji, so. Anyway, this is just perfect for like a bigger piece of dessert. This is for dessert, okay? These plates are all for dessert. Just kidding. Or just like plating, or just putting like toast on it so that I don't have to use my bigger plates. And lastly, the star of the show. This beautiful plate with this gorgeous design and this amazing like everything. This I think was between 300 to 500, I'm not sure. The tag isn't on it anymore. But this is perfect. Just imagine dessert. Wow, I'm talking about dessert a lot today. But dessert, coffee, cute cutlery, and this plate, the presentation would just be immaculate. Okay, bye.
Cute. So yeah, these were a few of the brands that I discovered that are curious. You have a less likely chance to have breakups, but there's a couple of things. This has so many benefits. Besides these two, I really suggest you add it here.
I have a package to unbox. Basically, I ordered bulbs. Why, you may ask? Well, the lamps in my room are beautiful and they're transparent, which means that the bulbs I have on right now are really fucking ugly. So, but I mean, they're really good bulbs. They're just ugly, and like on a transparent lamp, I dreamed of having beautiful lamps, so I mean bulbs, so I ordered them. A little late, but whatevs. Again, I will return them if they're not bright enough for my bedroom. But look at them. Wow, look at that. It's so pretty. I just wish it was like clear and not gold, but I did everything and I couldn't find like a nice gold one. I mean, a clear like silver one. So this is the only option, but they are really pretty. So I'm gonna put them in the lights and see how it looks, even though it's the morning. Go. The bulb is so beautiful, but it's so dull and so yellow. I will return this. I'm so sad. I was really expecting this to turn, because it says it's 40 watts, but it's obviously not 40 watts. I'm sad, but at least I saw what my lamps would look like with prettier bulbs. But anyway, back to changing them to the original. So I am at Kaya now and I'm gonna get my body lasered. Ugh. But yeah. Good.
Hoa giấy hiên nhà lắng nghe tiếng mưa dù dịu dàng. Mùa hè sắp quay về với tôi. Trong giấc mơ chỉ toàn người khóc, người viết trên áo mây cao là hoa.
Ooh. I got some samples. They gave me some samples. And then 2 toners from Yes I Am. And my order from Real Barrier. This is the Extreme Essence Toner. I am running out of my SK2 essence and I needed to replace it, and Real Barrier is it's a really good company, so I bought this. I also washed my hair today. Hi guys, I'm here for a treatment. I'm going to fix my hair. Back in the backwash. I'm gonna be washing this off soon, and then I'm gonna blow dry and I'm gonna go home and show you what my hair looks like. Basically, this treatment is called Brazilian cocoa, something, and it doesn't change the bonds of your hair. It is like a on top of your hair sort of a treatment. It does straighten out your hair for about 2 to 3 months. I have done something similar before, and that really helped my hair like get rid of all the damage. So I did it again. Am I covering the mic? I hope not. I did it again, and yeah, I hope that this improves the quality and my hair will feel better in the next couple months. Quick info, I am only allowed to use the same shampoo and conditioner that comes with this treatment to help this treatment last longer. So I will update you in a future video of how this treatment compared to my previous treatment and everything like that. And I am going to end this vlog right here because there's nothing else to film, because this week is going to be kind of boring. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.